Okay, number 11 is kind of an extension carryover from the first 9 weeks problems on operations of functions. It says if f of x is 3x plus 1 and g of x is 2x minus 4, find 3f plus 2g. So that means I'm taking 3 times the f function, which is 3x plus 1, plus 2 times the g function, which is 2x minus 4. So 3 times 3x is 9x, 3 times 1 is 3, then I got 2 times 2x is 4x, so plus 4x, and 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Then I just combine like terms. So 9x and 4x is 13x, 3 and negative 8 is negative 5. So 13x minus 5. 12, it says write a polynomial functions with zeros of negative 3, 1, and 2. So we're writing a poly function. We want to make our zeros factors. So we're going to have p of x, so just a polynomial of x. And again, all that means is if it was a negative 3 is a 0, inside the parentheses it had to be a positive 3. So x plus 3. If a 0 was 1, it'd be x minus 1. And if a 0 was 2, it'd be x minus 2. And again, that's all I'm looking for there. 13, evaluate a function. Find f of 2 for the function f of x equals 3x cubed minus x squared plus 4x minus 7. So again, the carryover from the first 9 weeks, it just has more things that you're plugging it in for. So f of 2 would be 3 times 2 to the third minus parentheses 2 to the second plus 4 parentheses 2 minus 7. And again, I'm just going to use my calculator and just plug it in exactly how it is. So 3 parentheses 2. If you want to take something to the third power, you've got to hit the caret key, then to the third. Then I got minus parentheses 2 squared plus 4 parentheses 2 and then minus 7. So I get 21. So I would write f of 2 equals 21. Okay, polynomial long division. Divide 6x cubed plus 11x squared minus 13x plus 2 divided by 3x minus 2. So we've got 6x to the third plus 11x squared minus 13x plus 2, and I'm dividing it by 3x minus 2. So again, we're figuring out how many times 3x goes into 6x cubed. So 3 goes into 6 2 times, and I need 2 more x's, so x squared. So then I multiply 2x squared times 3x, which is 6x to the third. 2x squared times negative 2 is negative 4x squared. Then again, I'm subtracting that expression. So 6x to the third minus 6x to the third is 0. Then this is like 11x squared minus negative 4. So minus a negative makes that plus 4. So 11x squared plus 4x squared is 15x squared. Then if you want to bring down the negative 13x, 3x goes into 15x squared 5 times plus an x, and an x, so 5x. So 5x times 3x is 15x squared. 5x times negative 2 is negative 10x. Again, I'm subtracting this expression. So 15x squared minus 15x squared is 0. Negative 13 minus negative 10. So negative 13 plus 10 is negative 3x. Then you can bring down the plus 2. 3x goes into negative 3x negative 1 time. So negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. But again, we're subtracting that expression. So negative 3 minus negative 3 is like negative 3 plus 3, so that's 0. 2 minus 2 is also 0. So I have nothing left over, which means I don't have a remainder. So the answer is 2x squared plus 5x minus 1.